Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So this July month has ended, so we're back again with another performance review. In this video, we'll show you how our trades have been in equity and in the F&O segments and what trade worked for us and what didn't. So over to you, Cora. Let's dig deep and check how our trading month has been.
Yeah, this is a personal account or proprietary trading account. I just want to add.
Yeah.
We rebalanced at the June end. That was in 1st or 2nd of July. So we realized a bit of profits in the stocks. That is what it is. And just in options, we made about 68 lakhs on a base of 4.6. Just dwelling into the July trades. This is the trades we placed 18,000 trades. Each trade resulted in about 385 rupees profit. If we win about 1,500. We lose close to 4,300 rupees per trade. We made 14,900 winning trades, resulting in over 80% hit rate. Overall wins is about 2.29 crores and loss is about 1.5 crores. So our profit factor for every dollar we lost, we won about $1.45. And this is the day-wise performance. We had 3 losing days and 15 winning days. July has been good. That's because market has done good up to here. The only difficult part was when market started wobbling from all-time high, which is on 20th July. So from then it just went up and down, up and down. So it is an okay month. So from the index wise, we made 75% from Bank Nifty because we prefer trading Bank Nifty because it's little higher volatility than Nifty. So there's a chance of making more profits in Bank Nifty if you're an option seller than in Nifty. Unfortunately, we lost 4% in Fin Nifty. So our profits were like 75% from Nifty, Bank Nifty, and 30% from Nifty. 4% losses from Fin Nifty. We made 68% from calls and 32% from put side. Out of this, we never sell calls. The call selling that we do is when we go to a bullish call spread. So we buy some call and probably limit the damage, we might sell out of the money call. So the call side, because Nifty rallied, we would have made money on buying the calls. That's what is resulted here. 68% from calls, out of which I would say 60% is from call buy. And 8% is like OTM call selling. And on the put side, we always sell puts. So we made 32% profits. The stocks that we played, very minimal, 23 trades. Some of them are result trades.
Yeah, earnings trade.
Yeah, sorry, earnings trades. Reliance, we were short calls that resulted some money. TCS, we were short calls and we lost money there because TCS rallied in spite of bad results. ICICI, we were short puts expecting a good results. 3 earning trades, 2 winners and 1 loser. So being TCS earning. We don't make much money in stocks because we play very little on the stock options. This is like a little, like 1 lakh in the total 68 lakhs or what. So we're more like a index option traders.
The-
But for that, for the viewers benefits,
Hmm.
we also have added a tab called portfolio holdings. These are our portfolio holdings from April 1st. We haven't created this portfolio on first week of April. We slowly added based on some thematic research or strategy research. The couple of, not couple, there are quite a few here. These are the themes we play. One is the ETF allocation. And we also have a insider trades from the micro cap index segment. So far about 13 holdings, resulting in 9.6% absolute profit. We also play micro cap momentum stocks, which is a 20 stock portfolio. That's up 31% for the year so far in the first 4 months. We have added at the end of June, we have added mid and small cap 400 index momentum portfolio. It has 20 stocks. That's about 9.9% gains. Not exactly the July end values. It will include August first 2 days also. This is our Nifty portfolio. We have added twice, once in April and once in July end. Not doing good. Just 2.7% absolute returns versus Nifty B's 5.22. That's your benchmark. April 1st, we have added some Nifty 100 Bs, which is about 5.2% gain so far, whereas our Nifty portfolio is 2.7, underperforming a bit. This is quite interesting. We have added 5 sectors which are underperformers financial year 2022 and 23. That's last financial year. Resulted in 5 sectors. Couple of sectors didn't have a stock, so we have added a pseudo ETF for that sector. Especially the realty sector, it doesn't have a ETF. So we have added some stocks on some real estate trust units, rate, like buy rate and Mindspace and things like that. We have added this portfolio in first week of April, and it's like a quite outperformer against Nifty. So Nifty 100 Bs of 5.2% versus this portfolio at 11.5%. These are the themes we play. So 6, 7 actually. You can ignore gold Bs. Gold Bs we just keep as a protection up to 10% of our portfolio. Right now, gold is on a higher end, so that's why we haven't added. It's only at 3% of our allocation. Eventually, towards the year end, we might go up to 8 to 10% in gold allocation. Whenever there is a dip, we might buy. This is our industry-wise segment allocation. So, sir, capital goods, pharma and healthcare, construction and construction material. This is mostly L&T and some other stocks like that in the basket, in the construction industry basket. IT is doing good, like 10%. We've added the first dip, that is in April, when Infosys tanked, we added quite a bit of IT Peace and some of the IT stocks. That's doing good relatively to your 5.22%. It's like 9.8% returns. That's our allocation is, and this is the major FMCG and financial sector, and like overweight or the highest allocation, followed by capital goods. The rest is all minor, nothing to. It's like 2%, 3% more. IT is at 10%. So those are our allocation from industry wise. Yeah, so that's the quick update on our overall portfolio and how we fared in July.
Cora, this file will be uploaded to the Google Drive, right? People will have
Yes, they're all in Google Drive. The last 3 months and July, we will be updating. We have uploaded in Google. We'll share the link.
Yeah. So guys, you can access these files if you want to look at it. Yeah, that's all for today, Cora.
Yes. So if you want to ask one learning from July.
Yes, I wanted to ask you that.
The Fin Nifty is expiry is not fun anymore. Earlier it was quite bullish. You could just short the puts and get away with it. This July month has been tough in Fin Nifty expiry. So especially the big hit that we took is we casually shorted some puts and Fin Nifty tanked that day. And surprisingly, that's the only index that was down on that day. We lost quite a bit, 3.4% as against 0.4% on Nifty. I think Fin Nifty was down by 1.5%. Be careful in Fin Nifty expiry. It's not what it was 3 months ago. Like from April, May, June, you could just short the puts on expiry day and get away. But that is not the case anymore. That's one lesson learned. So we are little careful. We are going to be careful with Fin Nifty going forward. So the Tuesday bullishness trade is undergoing some structural change, is what I would say. So we stopped playing that Tuesday bullishness trade on Fin Nifty.
For the month of July, Fin Nifty trade gave us the maximum drawdown, no, Cora?
Yes, we lost in Fin Nifty.
Mm.
We lost 4% in Fin Nifty. If the trade was not there, we would have done good. Basically, we lost about 20 lakhs on that day. We made little money on other days in Fin Nifty.
Mm.
Yeah, but overall, that one day trade took hit and it resulted in 4% of our overall profits, negative 4%.
Mm.
July was little tough towards the end, but it was very easy ride in the start of the month because it was just going up. There was no down day at all, significant down day. The only down day was 7th July because of Infi results. Otherwise, it's every day is up, like a very small day. So you could just simply sell the puts and sit on them. Towards the end, a bit tough, I would say, because Nifty was around. And also turn of the month trade that we usually place towards the end, it didn't work. The 780 and market was there only 750. We expected a big rally. But that didn't happen. Yeah, so those are the lessons learned. Be careful with Fin Nifty expiries.
Hi, Kuro.
Yeah.
How do you see the August month in terms of performance? As well as one more question is that you always sell the puts. That's what I heard. And when market usually on the expiry days goes down drastically, like the August last week expiry. So how do you deal with that, especially when you're selling puts?
I August is like a little wobbling month, so we have shared one analog based on historical data. So it looked like a range bound. I don't know where is that. It's there in the Telegram channel. So I don't have the bullish or bearish view in the month of August from seasonality perspective. The only thing is the 20-day high and 20-day low cycles that we follow. Nifty entered into 20-day low cycle. So I'm not uber bullish into August. As of now, change the view if Nifty reclaims this particular number, 9900 or 850. The second part of your question is there are like two things. One is if you want to hedge out your portfolio, do a 1:2 put ratio spread into December. So there's like sell 1 put of 19,000 and buy 2 puts of 18,000. It's right now at zero cost. You won't lose money, you won't gain money as of now. But if Nifty tanks, start making. If Nifty remains here, plus or minus 500 points, you will collect the premium, how much ever small it is. That's one way to protect your portfolio at a 3 months or 6 months horizon. Into expiry after 1 o'clock, preferably put a ratio spread. It might save if any of your index goes down. Sell at the money put or at the money minus 100 in terms of bank, or at the money minus 50 in the Nifty, and buy a 2 or 2.5, 1 strike or 2 strike down, which might protect you from catastrophic losses like this.
Thanks, Kuro.
Yeah, after 130, the straddle or strangle is not giving money in the last 5 or 6 expiries. So the only way you can protect is by putting a ratio spread. 1:2 ratio spread. Buy 2 and sell 1. All right, Priyanka, any questions? So we'll upload this video and all the performance files in the Google Drive and place a link on our
Telegram channel.
And here also, Watanabe website.
Okay.
Yeah, so here we'll update.
We'll leave the link to the website also in the description of the video below. So you guys can check that also out.
All right, Priyanka, have a nice day. And
thank you. Have a nice day. Thanks for the video. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a nice day.